Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Kindly consider subscribing if you like the content. In the world of trading, an order flow chart, also known as a footprint chart or order book heat map, is a tool that has proven indispensable. This graphical representation allows us to visualize the buying and selling activity in a market at various price levels over a specified period of time. It's particularly useful for day trading or scalping, as it provides insight into market dynamics and can help identify key support and resistance levels. An order flow chart works by dividing the chart into price levels on the vertical axis, with prices typically displayed from the lowest on the bottom to the highest at the top. The horizontal axis represents time, often broken down into smaller intervals. Each cell on the chart represents a specific price level at a particular time interval, with the color and size of each cell indicating the trading activity at that level during that time frame. Typically, green cells indicate buying activity, while red cells represent selling activity. The intensity of the color indicates the strength of the activity. Some order flow charts also display volume information, such as the number of contracts or shares traded at each price level. This real-time information about where buying and selling pressure is concentrated in the market allows traders to make more informed decisions. As technology and data analytics continue to evolve, the future of trading with order flow analysis holds tremendous promise. It provides traders with unprecedented transparency into market dynamics, enables the development of sophisticated algorithms for high-frequency trading, and aids in the creation of predictive models through machine learning and artificial intelligence. Order flow analysis also plays a vital role in risk management, enabling traders to monitor changes in market sentiment and adjust their positions accordingly. It's also being used increasingly in cryptocurrency markets, where liquidity can be fragmented across multiple exchanges. And with the democratization of access to this valuable information, even retail traders are now able to leverage its benefits. The future of trading with order flow analysis is marked by increased sophistication, accessibility, and integration with emerging technologies. Traders who can harness the power of order flow data and adapt to these evolving trends are likely to have a competitive advantage in the ever-changing landscape of financial markets. Order flow analysis can be advantageous in various trading segments, including intraday trading. It can help intraday traders identify optimal entry and exit points, spot scalping opportunities, manage risk effectively, assess market depth and liquidity at different price levels, and make real-time decisions in rapidly changing market conditions. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe if you like the content for more videos full of valuable content. Bye-bye.